welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to tell you the importance of the brown rice. We all know what is brown rice and it is easily available in the market, but still some of you don't know the benefits of that, how it is helpful to the body. So let me give you a clear explanation like how it is helpful to the body. So this brown rice is very rich in the B complex. So B complex, we know we'll be generally taking some supplements of the B complex, but it's very rich in B1, B3 and B6. You know what is this B3 vitamin? B6 also called as this niacin, and it converts the food to the energy and it increases the good cholesterol. This B3 vitamin also is readily available in this brown rice and it helps to treat many kind of nervous disorders. It is also called as thiamine. It converts the glucose to energy and it helps in the glucose metabolism. So B3 is also very important vitamin in the body. And coming to the B6, it is a water soluble vitamin and it is not produced in the body. We have to take it through the supplements and the food what we are eating. So this brown rice is very good in B6. So what is this B6 function is, it helps in boosting the memory system, it helps in treating the nervous disorders, as well as it's even an antidepressant. Due to depression there are some mood swings and all, lot kind of depressions happen when there are into stress and so many things, especially the older people who will be in the depression, their moods won't be fine. So it helps to balance the moods also, and even it helps you to boost your memory as well, because as the people are growing old, there is a forget the things and there is a loss of memory. So this is helping to boost the memory system. So this is the main important benefit of this B6, and that is present in the brown rice. So all this B complex, that is the B1, B6 and B3, are readily available in this brown rice. And then this brown rice even contains a good amount of magnesium in that. So one bowl of brown rice per day is giving us the required magnesium to the body. So what is the role of magnesium in the body is, it even helps to balance the reproductive system, because when the hormone system is not balanced in the body properly, then there are lot many kind of disorders like thyroid and PCOD, etc. But this brown rice is having good amount of magnesium in that, where this magnesium helps for to overcome this PCOD and thyroid also, because it is stimulating the thyroid hormone. So all kind of this metabolic disorders also can be a kind of treatment through this brown rice if you're having it in our diet every day. So it is treating the hormonal imbalances too, and it is a very good antioxidant. We all know that all green leafy vegetables and the colorful fruits are good in antioxidant, but do you know that brown rice is also very good in antioxidant? It is very rich, it is having a very rich antioxidant in that. So in our regular diet, if we are taking this brown rice, definitely we are having multiple benefits to the body and give us a stable health. And because now we are going to come across many kind of diseases, many kind of infections, like COVID, all these days we were suffering from, and now it is coming another part of Omicron. What is happening is, we have to be very readily available with a good immune system in the body. If we have a good defense mechanism in the body, then definitely we can fight with any kind of variants attacking us, any kind of infections or any kind of diseases that is going to overcome. It is going to affect us. So we should overcome all these things only with our health. If your body is fit, if your body is having a strong defense mechanism, then definitely you can fight against any kind of diseases, any kind of infections coming and affecting your body. So my dear friends, make a habit of having this brown rice every day in your meal, at least one time, one portion of it, because this is having so many multiple benefits in that. Hope you liked my video, and for more videos please do like, share and subscribe it. Thank you all.